So, Mechanicsburg, getting ready to install this flooring in that room, and upstairs in the hallway. 600 square feet, pre-finished, 3¼ inch. Stay tuned for the finished product. And this is another job from M&Z. For those of you who don't know, we recently got chosen to be a contractor for M&Z, which is they're the best, really. They sell the most flooring in central Pennsylvania, really. There's one in Harrisburg, one in Mechanicsburg, and one in Carlisle. We're associated with the main hub, the one in Mechanicsburg. So, yeah, if you're looking to buy flooring, I would definitely recommend them. So, yeah, stay tuned for the finished product, which will be in 3 days. Thank you.